guys, I'm going to give you a quick unboxing. Of course, you have your whip flags with your American flags. It's packaged in these nice little foam strips. Now it's going to give you two mounting options. Your spring, it's going to give you a little more flex, or just a hard mount. Now, these are flexible in their own, so you don't really have to worry about too much flexibility. But if you are looking for something that has a lot more flexing around, say you're on a razor, or you do a lot of Baja out there where you want a little more whip to it so it's not so rigid and break something, then this is probably going to be your option. I think for Monstro, we're going to go with this because we got the 4-foot whip flags, and as you can see, this is going to add a little bit more. I might not be able to get in and out of my garage without just flopping these things down every time. So we're going to go with the smaller option, and we're going to mount these things up. So also included in your box is going to be 2 of these pigtails. I already have one stretched out over there. And your control box. So your control box is going to consist of 2 of these style hookups, left and right. And then you're going to get a fuse along with the rest of your wiring. And this is going to be your left turn signal, right turn signal, and blinker.
You turned it off.
I did. It probably shut itself off.
Oh,
there it goes. It's doing the tracer.
They say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all their cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never. About to turn it on.
So, boom, there we are. Whip lights. These things are super bright. Like, if you're going to be running around at night in Sand Hollow, these things are going to be awesome. So we got them to try and be safe when we're out in Sand Hollow. They have flag regulations. There's a lot of other places that do.